first step in installing the Septic Genie is digging a shallow trench for the air line from the septic riser to where you plan on installing the air pump. To get the air line through the septic riser, you're going to drill a hole with a 15/16 inch bit. The next step is to lay out, cut, and glue your 1/2 inch Schedule 40 PVC air line and lay it in the shallow trench that you dug from the septic riser to where you plan on installing your air pump. Before gluing any PVC fitting, you should first prime it and then glue it. This is the primer. The glue. Make sure you get it all the way around. Push it in all the way, give it a slight twist. Use 290s to go from a sloped trench to a level entry into the septic riser. You can now bury your air line. Here we have the Septic Genie out of the box. You have the installation packet and instructions right there. You have the rope to help you lower it down, the air pump connector, and some powder bacteria to drop inside the tank once you have the unit installed. And there's also bacteria already pre-installed inside of the unit. Cut the zip tie on the rope and let the rope hang. Glue in a 1/2 inch piece of pipe into the vertical fitting inside the Septic Genie unit. And be sure to have the rope hanging on the back side of the unit, as you can see. Push it in firmly and give it a slight twist. If you have 4 to 6 inches of solids in the septic tank, you don't need to pump. You can take a shovel and stir it up in an area to allow you to insert the Septic Genie. In the area where you've cleared out the solids to make an opening for the Septic Genie to be inserted, you grab it by the rope to lower it down, using the air line to guide it. In this particular case, it's a little bit of a tight fit. Lower it slowly into the tank, guiding it with the air line. Once you have the unit lowered into the septic tank, lift it up and down and give it a little bounce. This will push any sludge at the bottom out of the way and allow more level sitting for the Septic Genie. Glue the vertical air line into the horizontal air line and connect the rope with a zip tie. We provide the air pump connector. Loosen this clamp, push the pipe onto the nipple from the pump, and then tighten the clamp to secure it. Here's the air pump connector installed. The final connection of the air pump to the air line. Now that the Septic Genie is operating in the septic tank, open this bag and dump the contents directly into the septic tank. to take a sample of the effluent as the Septic Genie was installed.